National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a dust storm warning for La Paz County in west central Arizona, northern Yuma County in southwestern Arizona, Maricopa County in south central Arizona, northeastern Imperial County in southeastern California, Riverside County in southern California, until midnight Pacific Daylight Time. At 11:05 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, or 11:05 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a wall of dust was along a line extending from 15 miles west of Tonopah to 7 miles southeast of Salem to near Wendon, moving southwest at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. Source, Doppler radar. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 10 between mile markers 1 and 91. California Interstate 10 between mile markers 148 and 156. Plus Highway 60 between mile markers 31 and 74. Locations impacted include Blythe, Quartzsite, Cibola, Palo Verde, Salome, Brenda, Baus, Ripley, Yuma Proving Ground, Vicksburg Junction, Wendon, Cofer Wildlife Refuge, Vicksburg, Harkuver, and Palm Canyon. Dust storms lead to dangerous driving conditions with visibility reduced to near zero. If driving, avoid dust storms if possible. If caught in one, pull off the road, turn off your lights, and keep your foot off the brake. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside, stay alive.